Hi you guys, welcome to my video today. I'm going to be sharing with you some awesome and easy breakfast ideas. My kids are going back to school and I know that these next few mornings are going to be hectic. So I want to make sure we have lots of breakfast food ready to go to make our mornings run a little smoother while we get back in the groove of going back to school. So these recipes are perfect for yourself, for your kids. We love them. If you're new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe. Lots of recipes for you and some meal planning motivation as well. All right, let me show you what we're having for breakfast this week.
So I'm going to be making some egg cups. I have this sliced ham, frozen spinach, eggs, cheese, and milk. Super easy, and you can customize these and put your favorite ingredients. So I really like this thick cut sliced ham, and it has really great flavor. So I'm just going to dice it up into some little square pieces. And you can use sausage for this or cooked bacon, whichever your favorite is. And that's why I love these egg cups so much, because you can just add so many different things. So I have 10 eggs. I'm making a big batch. I love to make just big batches of things. You can freeze some if you'd like. So I have a cup of heavy whipping cream. I have my diced up ham, so it's about a cup of ham. And I have my spinach is defrosted, so I have about a cup of the defrosted spinach and about half a cup of shredded cheddar cheese. So I'm adding all of these ingredients in together with my eggs, and these are just a huge hit with my whole family and super healthy. I love sneaking in that spinach. This is also really good with zucchini, broccoli, lots of different veggies. So I have my silicone little muffin liners. I just love these. They're so colorful, but I really love that they're non-stick, so you don't have to spray them or do anything. They're just my favorite. So I'm just gonna scoop in the egg mixture into each little muffin tin. I'm gonna fill it up about 3/4 of the way. I have my oven preheating right now to 350 degrees, and these take about 25 minutes to cook, and then they're ready to go. And just like I said, I love making a big batch, and these are just a really great grab and go breakfast and super healthy, high protein. So just awesome for back to school. My kids love these, so I love making them for them. I'm going to make a big batch of pancakes, and I'm going to freeze them so that we'll have them ready all week. So I'm just using my regular pancake mix, and it's just super easy. It's just the mix and water. So you can use your favorite pancake mix or homemade pancakes. And I am just going to mix all this up. I'm going to pour it into my little batter dispenser, and it just makes everything so convenient and less messy. So I'm going to pour it all into here, and then they'll be ready to cook. And so like I said, I'm making a big batch, and I'm going to freeze them. And I like to freeze them on a cookie sheet, and I line it with parchment paper so that they don't all stick together. But this batter is ready to go in my little dispenser. So I have my flat pan, and I'm just gonna do 4 of these at a time and just make a big batch of these, and then they will be ready to go in the freezer when the kids want pancakes. The pancakes are a huge hit at our house, so having this big batch ready to go is just wonderful. So I'm going to be making some oats, and I have my oats, brown sugar, and have this powdered milk, salt, and cinnamon. So I'm just using my little mason jars. I have my silicone measuring cup that I love for things that I'm going to pour into like these jars, because you can just pinch it a little bit and it's so much easier to pour. So I have a cup of oats, and I'm going to pour it into each mason jar. So I'm just using my mason jars because I like to reuse them. You can use a Ziploc bag as well, but I just like to use mason jars so I can just wash them out and reuse them again instead of wasting a Ziploc bag. But you can definitely use a Ziploc bag for this as well. A tablespoon of brown sugar, and then I have this powdered milk. I'm going to add a teaspoon of that into each jar, and this just makes it very much like the little packets that you could get of oatmeal. I have some cinnamon, so I'm just going to add in to taste the cinnamon and just a little bit of salt, not much. But these are ready to go. So here is all of the breakfast that we'll have for this week. It's going to make the mornings so much easier for back to school. So I hope that you enjoyed these ideas, and I hope that you're having a really great back to school season. The mornings can be hectic, so making breakfast ahead of time definitely helps. So my pancakes are all frozen, so I'm going to add them into my reusable gallon like Ziploc bags that I love. These are just perfect for freezing things, so I'm adding them in. And since they're already frozen, they won't stick to each other now in the bag, all ready to go in the freezer. And then I'm also going to add my egg cups into a bag as well, and then they will just be ready to go. You can freeze the egg cups, or we eat them really fast, so I don't always have a chance to freeze them. But if you're going to make a big batch and you don't think you're going to be able to eat them all, these freeze very, very well. And you can just take a few out at a time as you need them. But like I said, we gobble them up, and they're not very big, so you can definitely have a few of them for breakfast each day. And they're just a really great way to start the day. So everything is ready. So the oats just need to add in our hot water. I just pour it into a bowl and add in the hot water, and then they're ready to go. So I hope you enjoyed these ideas. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you are new. I hope that you have a really great day, and leave me a comment if you have any questions at all. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.